In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Business Profile posts. These posts are a simple, free way to keep your customers informed right on Google Search and Maps. They're perfect for sharing updates, promotions, events, or important news, and they can help your business stand out when people look you up. Start by opening your browser and going to business.google.com. If you're asked to sign in, make sure you're using the Google account that manages your business. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Posts section. This is where you'll create and manage everything your audience will see directly on your profile. Click on Posts, then choose Add Post. You'll see a composer where you can write your message and add visuals. Keep your text clear and helpful. Lead with the most important detail because only a short snippet shows at first in search. Aim for a friendly, straightforward tone and include a simple call to action, like inviting people to learn more, call, or visit. If a button option is available, pick the one that best matches your goal. Add a high-quality photo or a short video to draw attention. Use images that are bright, well-centered, and easy to understand at a glance. Avoid cluttered graphics or tiny text that won't be readable on mobile. If you're announcing an offer or an event, select the appropriate post type so you can include dates, details, and terms. Remember, most standard updates fade after about a week, while events last until their end date. So, plan timing accordingly. Before you publish, quickly proofread your post and double-check that any prices, dates, or links are correct. Keep language professional, avoid sensitive information, and follow Google's content guidelines to prevent your post from being rejected. If your business is still going through verification, don't worry. It usually takes up to 5 days for Google to finish that process. You can continue to update your profile and create posts during this time. Just note that your edits and posts will become visible to customers after your profile is verified. Once you've posted, your update will appear on your business profile where customers can see it alongside your reviews, hours, and contact info. Consistency helps here. Posting regularly keeps your profile fresh and signals that your business is active and attentive. That's it. Go to business.google.com, click Posts, click Add Post, craft a clean update with a strong visual, and keep an eye on verification. With a few thoughtful posts each week, you'll build trust and keep your audience engaged right where they're searching for you.